Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. Let's start on the topic, the tilting of earth as well as the spins on its axis. The earth tilts. This means that the some part of the earth has position closer to the sun at certain times of the year than the other parts, so the further away from the sun at the other time of the year. This is how we get the season. And now we will move toward the video that show how the tilting of earth occur and how the seasons causes just because of the tilting of earth. Okay, there we go.
Whose idea was it to camp in winter? And why is winter so much colder and darker than summer? To understand this, we need to explain how the tilt of the Earth's axis affects the amount of sunshine we get. And explain how the tilt of the Earth's axis affects how warm the sun feels. The Earth spins on its axis. The fact that it takes 24 hours to complete one spin helps us explain day and night. But it is the tilt of the Earth's axis that will help us understand the seasons. It is tilted at an angle of 23.4 degrees, and the Earth takes 1 year to orbit the Sun. Different parts of the Earth are tilted towards the Sun as it orbits. In winter, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. This means fewer hours each day are spent in daylight. In summer, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. This means more hours each day are spent in daylight. The tilt of the Earth also affects the angle that the sun shines onto different parts of the Earth. In the summer, the sun is shining more directly at the northern hemisphere. In the winter, the sun shines at more of an angle. The sun appears higher in the sky in summer and lower in the winter. The angle of the sun in the winter spreads the sun's rays over a larger area. They are less concentrated, and so it feels colder. So, the Earth's tilt really does mean it's better to go camping in the UK in summer. In winter, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. We have fewer hours of daylight and the sun's rays are spread over a larger area, meaning it's colder. In summer, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. We have more hours of daylight and the sun shines more directly onto us, meaning it's warmer. I know which one I prefer,